namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, guys. Okay, so today is a candle wax reading. So the topic for today is what is the universe trying to tell you, what signs universe are showing you. So that is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, and these are timeless readings also. So whenever you watch this reading, might have a message for you guys. Okay, so I have kept two boxes also. So I've kept charms. I've pulled some charms letters for you guys in the box. So yeah, and so I'm gonna do the candle wax reading. So for group number 1, you can choose from the box or you can choose the candle. Okay, so this is the box, and we have the white candle for group number 1 in the box. Okay, the flower box. So this is for group number 1. And for group number 2, we have the blue candle, and this is the box. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, and choose a box or a candle that calls to you intuitively. Take your time. If you need more time, pause the video, take your time, and then watch the video. The timestamps will be listed in the description box below, so watch accordingly. So I'm going to start with group number 1. So namaste, group number 1. If you have chosen this white candle and this flower box, let's see what is universe trying to tell you, what signs they are giving you. So let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna play this, just let clear out the energy and all. So yeah, so let's just call upon archangels, ascended masters to guide us. Okay, so I'm just gonna play it. I'm just gonna play it. Okay, so just relax, guys, close your eyes, relax. Okay, so let's start the video. Let's just call upon archangels, angels, ascended masters for clear guided messages. So let's see what the universe is trying to tell you. So I'm gonna open this box later. So first we will just do the candle wax. Okay, so just relax, guys. I'm gonna pour the water. I feel like you need to do some breathing exercise, guys. I'm just feeling it. So maybe for some of you, if you have been stressed lately, it's like do breathing exercises. Okay, if you're stressed about your exams or coming interview, or maybe for some of you, I'm even getting you have to do a presentation or some sort, like presenting some seminars or something, like maybe you have a project, or maybe a project viva is coming up, or something related to project, or maybe you need to present something, so you are a little bit very nervous about it, or maybe you have an upcoming exam, so you're very nervous about it. So just relax. Okay, guys, just do some breathing exercise when we are very stressed, or at least go out, walk in nature for 5 minutes. Like maybe for some of you, I feel like when you have some free time, you scroll social media. Like instead of scrolling social media, just go out and relax. That will boost your energy. Social media, I feel like for some of you, it's like it will only drain your energy in some way. So yeah, so take breaks from social media also. I'm getting like for some of you, maybe night also you do that, you scroll after, you know, for some of you, I even feel like that. I have this bad habit of like when we off the light and use mobile and all. So that's one of the bad habit I have, and I'm trying to you know, trying to stop doing that. And maybe for some of you, you have also that, like you off the light and then you scroll media, social media while sleep, you know, inside the blanket or something. Like I'm getting like that for some of you. So maybe stop doing that. Okay, maybe stop doing it, and avoid social media before night, or mobile, anything, like just read a book, something like that. Okay, or yeah, if you're students, if you're studying, like if you have like for 10 minutes break, what you do is like scroll social media. Instead of scrolling that, go out and have like do something that makes you happy, like listen to good music, or go out, walk, or talk to your parents. If not parents, talk to your friends, or if you have a pet, talk to them, right? Do something like that. Yeah, instead of focusing too much on social media. I don't know why. Maybe for some of you, you are in social media working for, like you have an account, so that's why you're very worried. So you post something, you then check again and again and again. Instead of checking again and again, do your work. Okay, that's something I'm getting. Don't stress about it. So maybe you are someone who posts and stress what people are telling, what comments I'm getting. Don't stress about it. Okay. So that's the thing. That's the first message I received. So let's see what else. What is the universe trying to, like you need to like have some healthy habits. So maybe for some of you had started some healthy habits, now you're going back to some unhealthy habits. So it's like universe is warning you, don't start that unhealthy habits again. You had stopped it, like maybe you had started exercising, now you have stopped it, or maybe you have started eating healthy, now you have stopped it. So something that you had started doing it, like it was going very well, now like you're coming back to your unhealthy habits. So it's like a warning sign from spirit, I have from universe to stop doing that. Okay. Fan, I'm getting a celebration might happen soon for some of you, some sort of victory or celebration. You might be celebrating or distributing sweets or something like that, or maybe you will prepare some sweets and you will distribute. So yeah, if you're feeling like cooking, go ahead and do. If you feel like baking, go ahead and do. Okay. While driving, be careful, guys. Okay. Maybe for some of you, you have this issue of overspeeding, or maybe you talk while driving, so don't do that. Okay, or maybe you will have a party and you will drink and drive, so don't do that. Something about driving I'm getting, or maybe you're trying to get your license, don't be afraid. Okay, go for it. Yeah, I'm feeling like footprints for some of you. So if you're a parent, don't argue in front of your kids. Okay, that is something I'm getting. Maybe you argue and it makes your kid very sad. So if maybe without knowing, unknowingly you do it, maybe you have arguments, so just it makes them sad, so don't do it. Okay. I'm getting crab. Maybe for some of you are cancers here, cancer sign. And with this crab, what I'm getting is like use like different moon phases for manifestation. That will be very beneficial for you guys. I've been talking about this waxing and waning moon recently in my readings. If you have watched that, it's a message for you guys to use those phases while manifesting. Okay. There is some sort of news coming your way. Okay, expect some unexpected visitors. It can be like a person who is coming to repair something in your house and unexpectedly. That can also be the case. So there is some sort of unexpected visitors, or maybe a friend. I'm just getting, for some of you it can be a repair, unexpected repair happening in your house. Okay. Yeah, someone is going to dress nicely and go for something, go for a party, or maybe you have a celebration in your office or school. Yeah, or maybe it's your birthday. So I'm getting dressed to impress. Maybe for some of you, yeah, you have an interview coming up, so dress to impress. Or maybe yeah, maybe you're meeting someone online, dating and all. Dress nicely, be yourself, be confident. Okay, maybe for some of you seeing fishes in your dream, I'm getting, it's like a sign from universe, things will be okay financially, things will be okay, don't worry about it. And Maybe you're feeling very emotional, maybe you're thinking about your past a lot, feeling very nostalgic. For some of you it's like you're oh my god, my past was so nice and all, you're becoming sad about it. Maybe there will be days like that, and it's okay. It's okay to remember, but don't get too caught up in it, okay? Universe is telling you. For some of you, I'm getting you might go back to a childhood hobby, the hobby that you used to do in your childhood. You might go to that, or maybe you're feeling like doing something that you used to enjoy during your childhood days. So just start doing it. It will make you very very happy and feeling, and it will make you very relaxed, okay? Books, lot of studyings are going to happen. Or maybe for some of you it's like a book is you when you scroll your YouTube, you always get a video about a book. Maybe it's time to read that book or open that video. Maybe you when you scroll, a video always pops up. Maybe it's time to look into that, because there is a message for you guys there, okay? I'm seeing a fox. Yeah, fox, be clever. If you're in a business, be clever. Don't fall into your other people's tricks, okay? Don't fall into it. There might be someone who is trying to trick you. Don't believe everything. Like, yeah, sometimes you need to use your intuition, or maybe sometimes when they are doing some like if you're feeling like weird energy from them, do a background check. If you're investing in something, do a background check, okay? Without thinking, don't do that. Or while signing papers also, without reading, don't do anything, okay? Be cautious. Yeah. Oh, a hug. I'm seeing a hug. Like two people are hugging. Maybe you will meet someone after a very long time and you will be hugging for a long period of time. Maybe your spouse is away from you. Maybe you're in a long distance relationship. Maybe this person is coming back. So there is a hug. A tight hug. Feeling very happy, feeling very relaxed in that person's arms. Or maybe you are not talking, you are fighting. Finally you're talking and you're having like you're hugging each other. So a lot of romance also. If you're in a lot of romance I'm getting here. Like date nights and all for some of you, dressing up, going out, that's possible. But for some of you it's like only studying. For some of you I feel there is some sort of exam or something like that, or you have a lot of work to do, complete presentation, or you have some sort of deadlines and all to complete. So a lot of work is also coming, so focus on your work, okay? Okay, rather than, I'm getting like focus on your work rather than what people are commenting. If you are if you produce content or something like that, rather than focusing on of other people's criticism or like their comments, focus on your work. That's something I'm getting here, okay? Universe is trying to tell you. Maybe you're seeing 1111 number a lot. Yeah, and here some of you are debating whether you should buy an oracle card or what. Okay, that's a specific message. You're like, should I buy it? Will it be a waste of money? Maybe your universe is telling you buy it. Okay, I'm seeing a snail here. With the snail I'm getting things will be slow, but it's okay to go slow. And a lot of responsibilities also I'm getting for some of you. Universe is yeah, like a lot of family responsibilities are there. So share your responsibilities, okay? Don't take too much on yourself. Maybe there is a chance that if you are hosting a party or some guests are coming, everything will be on your plate. You have to do the cleaning, you have to do the cooking, everything you should do. So it's important that you don't take too much. If it's yeah, share your work. For some of you it's like share your work, otherwise it will take a toll on your health. So don't try to do everything by yourself. Share your work. Or yeah, if they are not helping you, it's like time to be like standing your ground, that I cannot do everything, I want help. Like just say it. Sometimes you need to do it, right? Okay. Oh, someone is here. I feel like you might receive a sorry very soon from someone, like a friend who might have hurt you by saying something. They will feel bad and they will say sorry. Yeah, some sort of sorry is coming very like, yeah, forgive, like, yeah, I feel like it's you will forgive this person. It's like a small fight that you had, and like, yeah, so that's also I'm feeling like, yeah, a lot of playful energy is also there. Maybe spirit is telling, universe is telling to embrace more playful energy, or maybe you will be very playful or meeting friends after a long time, so sitting, chatting, laughing. That is also I'm getting like a lot of light-hearted energy is there here for you guys. Okay, universe is telling to enjoy those times when your friend are over. Don't think about your work, just enjoy that moment, be in the present moment. That's something I'm getting. Okay, if you have a birthday, if you have a birthday this month or something like that, universe is telling you to enjoy your birthday. Don't stress about how you look, what you wear. Instead, just enjoy your day. Okay, be happy. Don't worry what other people will comment or something like that. Yeah, maybe for some of you, you worry about other people, how they view you, are they like you, something like that. So don't worry too much about it. Just focus on yourself right now. Okay, focus on a little bit self-love also. For some of you, do some mirror work also. I'm getting reflection, some sort of reflection you need to do. Are you focusing on other people too much? Do you want like a lot of attention? Like you don't need validation from other people. You're valid. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. Okay, be you. Oh wow, that's something I've heard. Like literally, be you, guys. Don't try to be someone else. Be you and be confident. So if you have an exam coming, be confident. Give that exam confidently. Okay, don't worry about it. Sometimes we worry a lot. There's nothing to worry about. Just work. Just do your work and be confident about it. Okay. Okay. I'm seeing like this. We had a fan like that. When China we have a fan, right? Chinese fan, something like that. It's like yeah, some sort of romantic offers might come your way, or maybe if you have kids like teenagers and all, I feel like they will share something. Maybe they love someone, or they like someone, so they might share with you. So yeah, don't be patient with them. That's also I'm getting. Maybe your if you have teenage children, yeah, I'm getting like teenagers. If you have teenagers, they might share something. Don't get angry. Okay, be patient with them. That's something I'm getting. It's their age. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Let's check the box now for group number 1. What you have here? Okay, so the rune you have is Laguz, and with this Laguz, it's time to trust the universe. It's time to trust your intuition and go with the flow. As I told you, be in the present moment. I told you, right? Yeah, be in the present moment, go with the flow, trust your intuition, take one day at a time. Don't think too much about the future. Okay, so sometimes what happens if you have a presentation next month, you might be stressing about it now. So don't, instead of stressing, prepare for that presentation. Okay, so that's something I'm getting for you guys. Yeah. Believe in yourself. And for if you get a chance to go out near a water body, don't miss that chance. Go for it. Okay, go for it. And just it's time to go with the flow. That's what is coming. Universe is with you. Okay, so I'll just give the letters. We have I am. Yeah, I am. Just say some affirmations. When you're feeling very stressed, I feel like universe is trying to tell you to say some affirmation like I am successful, I am confident, I am healthy, I am patient, I am courageous, I am brave. Like say some affirmations. When you get up every day, say affirmations like give gratitude to the divine. Like I'm grateful for all the things I have in my life. sometimes it's very easy to see see the things that we don't have, and it's very difficult to see the things we already have in our life, right? So it's important to give the gratitude also here. So you need to say some write affirmations, or you know, if it's possible, do it every day. Yeah, okay, we have Y, E-A-I, Y, then L, okay, lit. Oh, you're going to lit something, or lit? Oh yeah, a light bulb moment. Okay, yay, yeah, you'll be very happy about it. Some sort of clarity is definitely coming your way. Okay, some sort of yeah, for some of you, you're going to lie. Look, lie. Yeah, maybe as I told you, teenagers will say something. Be patient with them. Maybe they will lie or something like that because they are afraid or something like that. Don't be angry. Okay, just be patient with them. That's what I'm getting. Or maybe you will. Yeah, some truth is coming out. Definitely some truth. If someone has told you a lie, truth is coming out. Okay, universe is telling you that. I'm getting like maybe for some of you there was a person who were very sneaky. You will understand about that person. Something some truth is definitely coming out, and you will be like very, you know, sometimes what happens when truth reveals, we are happy because we understand that it's not our problem, it's because of them that happened. Maybe you felt guilty about it. Now the truth is out and you're like, yeah, I was not the problem. Like for some of you, you're feeling very relieved also, like yeah, because of this truth is out, you're feeling very happy, like very revealed. Oh, it was not because of me. So something like that. Okay, okay. Tie. Okay, there is tie also. Maybe it is a meaning, some specific meaning for someone with this tie. Okay, okay, so let's see. Yeah, we have protection. Protection. Yeah, spirit is protecting you. Don't need to worry. Universe is there for you. There, you know, protection from all sides. Your family is protected, you are protected. Okay, everything is secure, don't worry. Yeah, you need to let go of certain things. Like maybe for some of you, you will let go of that lie. Maybe there was someone who lied to you and you're holding on to that. I feel like it's time to let go of them, so you can free them as well as you can free yourself. Okay, don't hold too tightly on something. Or maybe someone did something, like if you have a partner, they did something and you're like holding on to that thing, and because of it your fight is continuing. So let go of it, you know, forgive. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Oh, we have a bell. So yeah, I told you some sort of news maybe you will receive very soon. Okay, there is a chance for that. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, maybe for some of you it's a travel opportunity coming your way, like packing the bags and going somewhere. So for some of you, maybe work related travel opportunity might come. Okay, and with this bag also protection I'm getting. Everything is protected, everything is safe, you're protected. Okay, so chance for travel also, or maybe short distance travel also for some of you. We have K letter here and F. Oh, we have kite. So yeah, with this K we got the kite. Yeah, so flying high. For some of you, like you're flying, literally like traveling, because we have this hot air balloon also. So yeah, maybe you will really go in a hot air balloon. Yeah, it's like you're leveling up in some way. Some truth is coming out, so you are like so you are leveling up in some way. That is also I'm getting. Yeah, like you're getting out of the illusion. That's the thing. Yeah, you're getting out of the illusion. There was some sort of illusion that you had. You know, you're getting out of that illusion. Now you're seeing very clearly. There is no illusion anymore. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, you need to fix something. Maybe for some of you, I told you there might be a repair happening very soon, so someone will come, some repair. Yeah, we have key. So maybe for some of you, you're moving to a new apartment, there will be a little bit of repair, or in your office there will be some sort of repair needed, you will be doing it. And with this key, I'm even getting like the lies are out now, so you are like getting your questions answered. Okay, like again we have unity, we have protection here coming together. So if you have been fighting with someone, things are coming. I told you a sorry also. Yeah, you might receive a sorry, so things will come together. Yeah, we have peace, definitely, with a lot of peace, a lot of togetherness I'm seeing for you guys. Yeah, rose, maybe for some of you, you might receive a rose and they will so say sorry. Yeah, like that also for some of you. But definitely, so roses smell so beautiful, like the smell is so good, so things are good for you guys. Yeah, again we have this playful energy. I told you about playful energy, to embrace more playful energy in your life. Don't worry about your finances, everything is going to be okay. So enjoy your time with your partner. If you can go to a water body like ocean and all, go there, enjoy those time. Okay, so yeah, stick to your plans, like your project. As I told you, don't give up. And with this anchor, that was also I told you, like if you are a person who has a social media, instead of focusing on the comments what others are telling you, it's okay to read the comments and take that valid criticism, it's okay, but don't focus too much on the comments. Instead focus on your work, keep producing your work. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. Look, leveling up again, you have this heels coming. Maybe for some of you, literally you might buy heels for celebration and you will look bomb. So that's something I'm getting. And of course there is a leveling up for some of you, okay, in some way. So love yourself, take care of yourself. There's a lot of love. Look, a lot of partnership energy for some of you. Some of you it can be business partnership. For some of you, you are spending time with your partner, enjoying time, like you're sitting together, hugging each other, spending some quality time. Yeah, look, again we have this love. A lot of love is there. You know, getting love from your kids, your pets, your family, yeah, friends, spouse, or it's all about loving yourself for some of you. Yeah, regeneration, it's like lizard. Yeah, it's like regenerating, like feeling new. Yeah, for some of you it's like after a fight you're again the bond is becoming stronger. Sometimes through fights our bonds become stronger, isn't it? That's what I'm getting for some of you. You might have had a fight with someone who was very near to you. Yeah, who was very near and dear to you, but this bond is only getting stronger, I'm getting. Yeah, a girl child, maybe for some of you your children might reveal a secret, or maybe they had lied to you and now the truth will come out and you will be very revealed to know the truth. It's like when a truth will come out, you will be very happy, like you will be okay, even though you lied, it's okay, the truth is out, I'm feeling very revealed right now. Because of that lie I was stressed, but now the truth is out, I'm feeling very revealed. So yeah, that's the thing, that's the message for group number 1. Hope you like the reading. Bye bye, take care guys. Group number 2, if you have chosen this blue candle and this box, let's see what is your message. We will do this later. Okay, and we have this blue candle. So before starting the reading, I'm just gonna use this sound ball. So let's just clear the energy. Okay, so just relax guys. Wait, sorry. So we let's call upon archangels, ascended masters, angels of group number 2 to provide with clear guided messages. Okay, so let's see what is the message, what is universe trying to tell you. Okay, so group number 2, okay, use common sense. Okay, so that's the first message I'm receiving. Use your common sense, don't trust everything someone is saying. So maybe there is a chance you might meet someone new, or you have a friend that say a lot of things and you believe everything. So don't believe everything that everyone is saying. Use your common sense. Okay, that's something I hear really. So use your common sense. That's what universe is trying to tell you. So relax, guys, and just listen to the sound. Om Namah Shivaya. I'm just hearing that. So maybe for some of you, you need to chant that. Okay, Om Namah Shivaya. Like chant 108 times. It will give you so much of clarity. It will reduce your stress. It will, if you have insomnia, it will also be helpful for that. So Om Namah Shivaya. Chant it, guys. That's what I'm hearing. Universe is trying to tell you. And I feel like Lord Shiva is with you. Maybe you call upon him, or maybe you are already chanting it. So it's like Lord Shiva is with you. He is guiding you. I'm getting like transcendence for you guys, like you're leveling up in some way. Spiritual progress is definitely there. But for some of you, it's like you listen to certain people. You have this, maybe some of your loved ones are uttering nonsense and you believe it. So use your common sense. That's the thing I'm hearing, and I have to give you the message. Okay, for some of you, don't believe what everyone says. Use your intuition as well as your common sense. Okay, that's something. So yeah, it's just I hear and I have to say that. So I'm sorry for that, but that's what I received, that message. You know, sometimes I'm even getting a person who's head over heels. You know, you love someone so much. So if they utter certain nonsense also, you believe in it. So don't believe everything you listen to. Okay, that is something. Okay, be cautious about it. Yeah, so let's see. And drink more water. Drink more water. Hydrate yourself. For some of you, flowers, something related with flowers. Maybe you want to buy some certain flowers for your home, or maybe plastic flowers, or you want to buy some plants for your home. Maybe you're planning to do some interior designing in your home. So just go for it. Okay, it will give you so much of happiness. That's what I'm getting. These small things. If you feel like buying my painting, go for it. It will give you so much of happiness. I'm getting here. So happiness lies in the small things. Universe is trying to tell you that. Okay, maybe you see a lot of butterflies, and universe is trying to tell you that you're not a caterpillar anymore. You are the butterfly. You have the freedom of speech. Use it wisely. Okay, like maybe for some of you, you have problem with your throat chakra. You don't express yourself. You try to shut yourself. You don't like drama. You don't like arguments. So that's why you just keep it to yourself. Even if you have something to say, you don't say it. So it's like here. For some of you, it's like some of them will say some nonsense. You will hear it. You will not respond to it because you don't want drama. But sometimes you need to take up. You need to stand up for yourself. You need to say the things. Sometimes you need to say things, right? So don't shut yourself up. Say it out. That's something I'm getting. Okay. Or if there are people around you who are making you feel very fearful, maybe it's time to let go of them. Yeah, sometimes it's very difficult if it's a family member. Yeah, I know it's very difficult when it's a family member. If it's like someone else, we will be able to do it, you know. But when we are living in the same roof, it's difficult. But here Spirit is telling you, here universe is telling you to chant Om Namah Shivaya. Lord Shiva is definitely with you. And yes, there are a lot of creative solutions coming your way. Like if you feel like, yeah, this door is closed, what will I do it? There are multiple doors opening up for you guys. So if you feel like there is no solution for your problems, there is solution coming your way. Okay, so understand that. Maybe for some of you, you are giving up on something. Maybe you have tried. Yeah, it's like maybe you have done a lot of things for a relationship, but finally you're like, no, I cannot do this anymore, and you're trying to give up. Maybe it's time to give up on that relationship if it's not making you happy. That's something I'm getting here. Maybe you are asking for a sign. Should I give up? Should I give up? And universe is telling you, give up. this person will is not for your highest good. For some of you, that's what I'm feeling here. Okay, for some of you, I feel like you might buy a hat or something like that, or a hat, or playing a different role for some of you. If you are in this acting or something, like you might if you have drama or something coming up, maybe your role will be changed. Or maybe you are into comedy, so where you're making a character, like a different character, you're playing a different character in some way. That's something I'm getting here. So a new role, new offer might come up. Maybe you're into comedy, or maybe you're into acting. Okay, so some sort of new role. Or maybe if you work in a company, maybe your role will be reversed. Role will be reversed. No, not that. Maybe for some of you, roles are reversing. I don't know, but definitely there is something. Like if you are in marketing, maybe you will go to a different section, something like that. Okay. Roles are getting reversed also in some way. If someone was bossing you, maybe you will get a position higher than them, and you will be their boss in some way. I don't know. The roles are getting reversed. So I'm seeing a teddy bear. It's like a cartoon character, Mickey Mouse. Maybe you are watching those characters. Maybe it makes you happy, so go and watch. Or maybe you're planning to go to a Disneyland or something like that. So just go. Oh, two people are having a kiss, a passionate kiss. So that's coming up for some of you. Maybe a first kiss for some of you. What I'm seeing is like a lot of Disney characters. Maybe you're planning to go to a Disneyland, or maybe someone will offer you to go to a Disneyland, or maybe you want to, or you're manifesting it. That's quite possible. Something with your hair also. Maybe for some of you, you want to color your hair, like violet color I'm getting. Okay, just trust your instincts on that. If you want, do it. Don't think what others will think. Sometimes we stop ourselves because of fear, and fear is a very, very low vibration. So don't listen to your fear. Just love is what is important for you guys right now. I'm seeing a mask. Maybe for some of you, you're dressing as a Superman. I don't know why I'm seeing so many Disney characters. Superman, Rapunzel, Mickey Mouse. What is up with that? Okay. Maybe you're watching a lot of cartoons or something like that. Maybe you want to watch a lot of cartoons. You feel like watching cartoons, go for it and watch it. Or maybe you like to talk to yourself, like looking in the mirror, talking to yourself, dressing up and talking to yourself. Do it. If it makes you happy, why not? Right? Okay, for some of you, electricity might go, and so I don't know. It's like very specific message. Power will go. So maybe save. If you're doing some work, if you're doing some work, just save it. Okay. Otherwise, it will go. Something like that. Or do the work before the electricity goes off. I don't know, but something about electricity. So save your work. So some of you have the dance competition, or you're dancing. Maybe you're dancers. There is a competition coming, or maybe that's why you're dressing up, or maybe you have a drama where you're dressing up. Everything will go good. Don't worry. Or maybe you're doing online something, dressing up, Zoom call and all. I don't know, but definitely there is some sort of like dressing up character, like dressing up, some plays, some acting I'm getting here for some of you. Or maybe you're watching a lot of cartoons and all. Some news about some news about your if you have given some resume or somewhere, some news about that is coming up very soon, or maybe something regarding your exams, the date of the exams might come, okay, or something regarding job and all, okay, or maybe if some invitation you might receive, maybe your friends are getting married, something like that also, okay. Go for it, okay, don't skip those appointments, like don't skip that invitation. Go out and have fun. Dress up, go out and have fun. Life is all about enjoying, isn't it? Don't be too, I'm getting this pile is very very serious about their work, you're very very serious, so maybe for some of you, you need to be a little bit not so serious. Okay, so enjoy life, okay, go out, have fun, yeah, watch cartoons and laugh, like be like a childlike energy. I'm getting, not becoming a child, but embracing that childlike energy, yeah. Childlike energy doesn't mean that you have to be childish. It's like a feeling. When we are child, we are so happy, right? We don't stress too much, we enjoy doing little things, so yeah, do that. For some of you, recently you have started baking something, you're very interested in that thing, just keep on doing it, because it's working for you guys. So yeah, for some of you, you have recently started something, keep on doing it, you're good at it, work on it. A lot of inspiration you might get, for some of you, take that inspiration and create something new with that inspiration, don't copy, okay. For some of you, I'm seeing you have an exam, you are making like cheat codes for something, you want to cheat or something like that. Instead of wasting your time there, yeah, just study. That's what is like I'm getting, yeah. Maybe there is a chance you might get caught up, so don't take that risk. Okay. For some of you, there is a, if you're a student, there is a new teacher coming, a very strict teacher, but she's very kind also, but very strict also, a very specific message. I'm getting really very specific messages today. Okay, focus on your third eye chakra, on your visions. Yeah, vision board. Okay guys, if you have been planning, if you want something, start with vision boards. Cut those pictures and paste it, and yeah, that will be very good for you. Yeah, do vision boards, or write a list of the things that you want to manifest in your life. Universe is trying to tell you that. Okay, I'm hearing the author Catherine Pondo. If you want to read the book, Dynamics Laws of Prosperity, I'm getting like that book for you guys. Maybe for some of you, if you are trying to make more money, or if you want to have an abundance and prosperous life, if you want to, that book will be helpful, I'm getting here. Yeah, we have a heart, so I feel like you're loving yourself, you're taking care of yourself, as well as there is some sort of love offer for some of you. Maybe for some of you, I feel like there is a difficult offer coming, like it's a love offer, but you will be very stressed about it. So just trust your intuition on that. Don't say yes to something you don't like if you don't love that person, say no. Don't say yes because they will feel bad. No, don't do that, okay. So yeah, be honest with others and yourself. Okay, I'm seeing traveling also, like bus travel. For some of you, like short distance travel is definitely coming your way, okay. Yeah. Okay, so meditate. Okay guys, meditation is very important for you guys. Your vision, what vision you're seeing, like your visions, man, imagine those, prepare this vision board, you can succeed, okay. And go slow, there is nothing to rush. Your trains will be there when you arrive, your train will be in the platform, so don't worry that you will miss the train. It's just metaphorically I'm telling you, so don't worry about it. Okay, and when we stress, when we are in this fear based energy, we make bad decisions. So don't do that, and use your common sense. I'm getting again, like the universe spirit is like, truly, that's a very strong message for some of you. It's like, use your common sense. Use it well. Yeah, I'm seeing that, Aladdin story for you guys. It's all about stories. It's about Disney stories. I'm getting like childhood stories. Aladdin, I'm getting the lamp. Maybe for some of your wishes coming true. It's like, yeah, or maybe make a wish. It's like this Aladdin lamp that genie is like coming out. I'm feeling like that energy. Okay, so that's all. I'm gonna start with the box now. Okay, so yeah, let's see the box. So you have the letter U, L, N, O, G. You are unlocking something. That's also I'm getting. What was clogged is unlocked, or maybe in your what was clogged, it's going to be unlocked. Like, does it make sense? I don't know, but something, like a toilet, when it clogs, the water stays there. Now the water is going out, it's flowing out, something like that. Okay, yeah, we have W, we have L. So if you're feeling stuck, I feel like that, things will flow. That's the thing, right? R, C. Maybe you're planning to see a movie somewhere, theater. Take the precautions and go, guys, if you can go, because it will make you very happy. Yeah, or maybe your kids want to see a cartoon movie or something like that. That's why there is a lot of cartoon and all. Oh, cosplay. Yeah, dressing up, doing cosplay for some of you. We have A, and we have F also. Okay, we have the rune of Manhas. It's all about following your intuition as well as spiritual progress. It's like humanity is one. So I feel like there is a lot of spiritual progress coming your way. Okay, trust your instincts, trust your intuition. Okay, sometimes things might not go the way we want, because it's like then at that time we complain why this happened. It's like you're learning a lesson, and it's okay, nothing, you're not going to lose anything. At the end you will learn a lesson. That's something I'm getting here. Okay, so don't isolate yourself. If you're getting an invitation to go out, go for it. Okay, yeah, you need to connect with more people. So don't sit at home. If your friend is calling you, just let's go out and have fun, let's go watch a movie or something like that, or come to my home, watch a movie, just say yes. Okay, it's like you might get new ideas from it, or maybe you will meet someone who might give you some good ideas. So it will be for your good. Okay, or maybe you were this, sometimes we have that creative blocks, maybe you're going through that, and when you go out, meet your friend, this friend might give you an idea. It's like they will say about something else, but something will click. So that's something I'm getting here. It's like your mind is, you're letting go of all the emotions that are not needed to you. There is a cleanse happening in your mind. That's something I'm getting here. Yeah, again, this I'm getting here like that. Yeah, maybe for some of you, there is a person who is like saying a lot of nonsense. Don't trust what this person says. That's like danger. That person is a danger. Or maybe don't do something very, very risky. Yeah, we have fish. Emotions. Like, emotions are going to be very heightened for you guys. Sometimes you might feel very emotional also. So meditate. Maybe that's why it's like Om Namah Shivaya came out. And yeah, your prosperity is okay. Your money and all will be okay. Don't worry too much. Yeah. Oh, a lot of opportunities. Yeah, a lot of opportunities to go out some way. Toaster. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, a lot of opportunities I'm getting for you guys in some way. So don't miss those opportunities. Oh wow, recognition for some of you. Like, Some of you, your work is going to be recognized, and because of it you might get a lot of opportunities. That's something I'm getting here. Then we have feather. Wow, the angels are near you, they are protecting you. Then we have keys. Oh, we got the key to key for this also, like group number 1. So it's like solutions, creative solutions. If you're feeling blocked, that is going to be unlocked. Then we have fairy, playful energy. Okay, that's like fairy is giving something. I feel like something you might receive that clarity. Yeah, be committed, commitment. Oh, we have a ring here, small ring. So for some of you, there is a commitment coming your way, or maybe an opportunity will come that will be very good. So commit to it. Okay, commit to yourself also. Yeah, don't hang to the situations that are not working. Okay, so yeah, for some of you it's like you might be stubborn. I don't want to go out, I'm not gonna go out. Like yeah, sometimes you need to go out to recharge, to relax. Okay, so don't be like that. Sometimes it's okay to say no, but I feel like you're all the time, if you know, you're, for some of you it's like you always say no. I don't want to go out, I want to sit here at home. Like maybe for some of you, you are in that energy. So it's like, yeah, sometimes it's okay to go out, right? So yeah, love, lot of love. Maybe for some of you, friendship. Sing your own song. It's like, listen to your heart. Maybe your heart wants to go out, but you don't feel like it. Like it's like you want to go out, at the same time you don't want to dress, you just want to sleep. So it's like, listen to your heart. If you feel like going out, go out. Okay, don't stop. Yeah, again, unicorn, a lot of magical, right? We have fairies, we have unicorn, we have mermaids. So yeah, and we have a lot of Disney characters also. Yeah, some sort of imagination. So maybe you're dressing some sort of yeah, very imaginative pile I'm getting. So maybe you are into this imaginative writing, or maybe you're into script writing. Use that well. I feel like that. Yeah, I'm getting like that creativity. For some of you, you have blocked creatively. That is unblocking. I told you something about that, right? Yeah. So yeah. Oh, we have pumpkin. So lot of opportunity again, lot of seeds, right? So yeah, a lot of opportunities, definitely. So trust yourself. Yeah, maybe you have a lot of responsibilities. So sometimes it's okay to share your responsibilities. Don't do everything. And I'm getting healing also for many of you. You're healing a lot of things, letting go of a lot of things. And yeah, you're very wise people, so trust your own wisdom. It's like you give guidance to other people, but when it comes to you, you don't listen to yourself. So for some of you, it's like you know things, but you don't listen. Like you feel like going out, but you don't go out. Like for some of you, it's like that. Let's see the words. Yeah. Log. Maybe there is log. Okay. Something is unlocking, definitely. I told you that. Then write. Yeah, write. Maybe you're writers, and I'm getting like yeah, we don't have I and E, but I'm getting write. So maybe you're writers, and yeah, so you will be able to get that flow. That flow is coming. Okay, then cause. Yeah, okay. Okay, if it's possible, like have a journal. Okay, so whenever you feel some intuitive ideas or creative ideas, write it down. Maybe there is a chance you might forget it later, so that's why. So that's it for group number 2. Hope you like my reading. Bye bye, take care guys.